Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make long rolls at home, step by step. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of warm water, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Don't forget 1 packet of active dry yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Make sure your water is warm enough, around 105 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit, to properly activate the yeast for a perfect rise. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your warm water, yeast, and sugar. Let this mixture sit for about 5 minutes until it becomes nice and foamy, indicating the yeast is active. Next, add the flour, salt, and melted butter to the bowl. Mix everything until a shaggy dough forms. Then, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and knead for 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. After kneading, it's time for the first rise. Place your dough in a greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm spot for about 1 hour, or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Now, divide the dough into 12 equal pieces, each weighing approximately 2 ounces. Roll each piece into a long, cylindrical shape, aiming for about 6 to 7 inches in length. Finally, let's get these rolls ready for the oven. Arrange your shaped rolls on a baking sheet, cover them, and let them rise for another 30 minutes. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the rolls for 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. They'll be warm and delicious. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade long rolls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.